In a developing story, State Representative Gabe Woolley is asking the Oklahoma Attorney General to review the Wagoner County Sheriff's Office investigation into whether signatures gathered for a grand jury investigation were gathered legally. Now, we told you last month the petition stemmed from 2 inmate deaths and accusations some legal cases were mishandled by the Sheriff's Office and DA. The DA and Sheriff deny all claims in the petition against them. On Monday, a search warrant was issued at the Wagoner County Clerk's Office related to that petition. Representative Woolley says he fears such actions undermine public trust and violate the principles of transparency and accountability. As Fox 23's Jade Murrow reports, a local attorney says this new investigation can create issues on both sides.
It's unusual that citizens go to the time and trouble to try and raise a grand jury by a petition and obtaining signatures. So, I mean, that's kind of a messy process. There are a lot of laws and rules that apply to it.
Attorney Tim Gilpin says the current investigation by the Wagoner County Sheriff's Office into the petition raises a lot of questions. The petition requesting a grand jury investigation into the Sheriff's Office and District Attorney started after 2 in-custody deaths and accusation of mishandling of legal cases. Both the sheriff and the DA deny all claims in the petition, and the Wagoner County Citizens Against Corruption didn't collect enough signatures to trigger the investigation. Gilpin explained the process it takes to prove signatures for a petition are legit.
Whether it's residency, age, and of course that they're actually a person and all that information is true. So it's a burden on the people with the petition trying to get signatures and have it do what they want to do, to make sure the right people are signing. They check the signatures against the local election board's roster of people, and also they can go to driving records from the state driving division of motor vehicles and check there and make sure that what these people's residency is and age and all of that.
In the affidavit for the search warrant, the location is the Wagoner County Court Clerk's office, which Gilpin says could be a conflict of interest.
Why they've decided to do it themselves. I presume because they think something's wrong and they want to get in there and find out as quick as possible. But yeah, typically you would want it at least ultimately to end up in the hands of someone outside of that county to decide if an issue really exists.
Usually, when petitions made against city officials don't gather enough signatures, the topic is dropped. But he says for the officials to go after the petitioners does raise issues about possible bias.
Somebody died in custody, and that for better or worse, some of the citizens of Wagoner County are upset about it and think it deserves to be investigated, and have gone this far in the process to get that done. Is it warranted? I don't know. That's what the grand jury process is supposed to find out.
Covering news that matters, I'm Jade Morrow, Fox 23 News.
We reached out to the Sheriff's Office for comment on the search warrant, but did not hear back. District Attorney Jack Thorpe sent us his letter recusing himself today from the investigation. If you'd like to read that letter for yourself, we have that in this story on fox23.com.